welcome back to mathematical economics class. So in this class I'll be showing you how to derive marginal cost function from average cost function. So let's take a look at this example. So in this example we have a firm's average cost function is given as this: AC equals 2q squared minus 2q plus 5 then plus 35 over q. We're asked to derive one, marginal cost function, then two, we are asked to evaluate the derived marginal cost function at q equals 2. So let's go. So here is the solution to the question. So you recall that marginal cost is given as the TC over the Q. That's change in total cost by changing the unit of output sold. So meaning that we cannot directly derive marginal cost function from average cost function. We need to first derive total cost function from average cost function. Then we can then derive marginal cost function from total cost function. So in other words, the first thing we are going to do is that we can write step 1 if you like. So we have derive total TC from AC. That's the first thing we are going to do. So we know, you recall that our AC has been defined as TC over Q. So in other words, when you cross multiply, it means that our TC is given as AC multiplied by Q. Then using this knowledge, we can derive our total cost function. This is our average cost function. So we just write our AC function there, 2q squared minus 2q plus 5 plus 35 over q. So multiply by q outside. This is AC, this is q. Then we multiply through by q. So we have 2q raised to power 3. We have minus 2q squared. We have 5q. Then we have plus 35. This is our total cost function. Then we can now derive our marginal cost function. So in other words, I can write step 2 here. Step 2, what we are going to do is that derive marginal cost function from total cost function. Now, so here is the formula. Marginal cost is defined as the TC, the Q. So in other words, let's differentiate this TC. We differentiate this, we are going to have, we bring down the power 3 times 2, that is 6. Now 6 cubes raised to power 2. Then minus, we have 2q squared. You bring down the power 2 times 2, we have 4q. Then you differentiate this from 5q, then you have plus 5. Okay, because 35 is a constant, so it becomes 0. So this is our marginal cost function. Okay, so the next question, which is question 2, says evaluate the marginal cost function derived at q equals 2. In other words, our MC at q equals 2. Okay, so we have MC then equals to 6 into bracket 2 square minus 4 2 plus 5. So in other words, I have 6, 2 squared, that is 4, minus 4 times 2, that is 8, then plus 5. Then in other words, we have 24 minus 8, then I have plus 5. Okay, now if you have this, the total answer is going to be 21. Okay, here is our final answer.